In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, auto rotation is now on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on Display. Then scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!